this is gonna be an update on the greenhouse slash review, I would say. So many of my outdoor succulents that I had around in pots are in there, and my propagation. And then I already have, you guys know, random succulents in the ground and over there. And then I have my cactus collection and a few more succulents over there. Back to the greenhouse. Updates and reviews. My opinion so far. So the greenhouse that is it's the same exact thing as Harbor Freight. Like I said before on my previous video, I got it from Groupon, and it doesn't have a name of the company. But when I did my research looking on how to put it together, I did find a guy's video of putting his together, and everything that he said matched mine exactly, even numbers. So I'm pretty sure this is like, you know how, I don't know, company makes a bunch of different ones and people slap their name on it. I think that this is what this is. So this is very similar to Harbor Freight. Maxie, say hi. Anyways, so we picked it up by a foot with the wood right there. So the wood gave it height, it also gave it stability and added weight to the greenhouse. Yesterday we had strong winds and my panels were flying everywhere. And I'm not the only one that had this issue. Many people on YouTube, they've talked about their panels flying away. I don't know how they came up with this clip idea. So see this one, perfect. It's holding on right there into the plastic and it's touching. This one's kind of touching, but many of them are not. Many of them just are not touching. They're not applying no kind of pressure. Not even if I bend it. It's just that it doesn't reach. One side reaches better than the other. So especially on top of the roof, it doesn't touch. So you have to come up with a better way of holding your panels down if you're in a really windy area. I don't live in a really windy area. It just happened to be super windy yesterday, like if it was a hurricane. I don't know what was going on. I mean, the basketball hoop fell on top of my husband's truck. That's how windy it was. Anyway, so many people had also, they've taken like some type of bar very similar to this and had it going across and then put a screw on it, or they just screwed it down to the spots where it was touching the aluminum. So they screwed it on with some type of special screw with a rubber. They've done that. I mean, you can look up on YouTube on how to modify your greenhouse to make it fit your needs. The idea that I might use, I got it from another YouTuber that did a video on him. He took a thin piece of wood and put it here, but with pressure. So obviously you put it in slanted and then you start pushing it down and applies pressure between the aluminum, and it'll keep the panels in place from flying away. So that's what they did, and I'm thinking about doing the same thing. And then at the bottom, I have two options. I can cover it with solid wood, or I can put screen under there. And my husband said that it would be a good idea to put screen just so that there's more airflow in there so it's not so hot. So I kind of like that idea. I think I'm gonna go with that. So anyway, so I'll just show you inside. Oh, wait, I'm not done. Let's talk about the door. This door, I've been wanting to rip it out and just toss it. It's so frustrating. And like I said, I can't even contact the company that sent me this. You know, Groupon is just a place where you can get stuff from another source. You know, it's just like a coupon place. That's it. They're not the company. They're sending you the item. They're just like the middleman. That's it. So anyways, I've already wrote through Groupon to try to reach to the people, but I have not gotten a response. So that bar up there is bent. It came bent like that. I mean, this is aluminum. You just look at it and it'll bent. So the door does not slide easy at all. I mean, my husband had to cut a tiny little piece of the door here on the side. It is so that it wouldn't catch on because it's bent there. And we tried to fix it and we couldn't. So yeah. So I had to do that. So the door won't go all the way. It jams right there. It goes farther now though. Since we cut that piece, it does go farther back, which is okay. That's fine for me. So anyways, so let me just show you a tour. These are not the shelves that I would like to have in the future. In the future, I would like to get more organized shelves. I'm just going to use what I have because I don't like being wasteful. I don't know who would want these. This is used to be my old greenhouse shelves, you know, the one that comes with the plastic. So it was just hard for me to throw it away. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to use it all in my greenhouse. And then when I get the cohesive shelves, I don't know what I'll do with them. So here's a little tour of what I got going on here. Here's some leaves that are propagating. This is some chroma leaves, Echeveria chroma. These are some random, I don't even know, some calanthios and other Echeverias that I've thrown in there. I have no idea. Anyways, here's what my plants look like. I'm not gonna be naming anything at this time. I'm just really just showing you really the greenhouse and what's going on in there. This pot needs a makeover, so yeah, this is Echeveria Debbie, and these are some cuttings that have already rooted. And yeah, so this chopstick right here, it crusted on me, so those are chopsticks. And yep, and then here's some more propagation right here. Show you a close up. These grew so quickly. I mean, I want to say this is like a month, and look at how big they are. And then some of these I've had for months and months and months, and they're still, something happened here. I don't know what happened to these. Why are they out of place? Oh, the wind. That's right. Because I had to leave the panels off. I took the panels off the greenhouse because they were flying away. So the wind came and pushed these around. I'm gonna have to bury those. I have to bury the roots because a lot of the roots are exposed and they're gonna dry out. Anyways, I'm sorry if this, I hope this video makes sense to you guys, because I've tried to make this video already 5 times within a few days, only because I keep getting interrupted, and the dog and the wind. It was just a lot going on, so here I am doing it again. So this is topsy-turvy, a bunch of babies. These have already rooted. These are just some cuttings that I took from the front that I needed to trim, and I decided just to throw them in there and see what happened. This one has already rooted. This one not yet. Put it in there more. I don't know. Anyways, here's one of my pride and joys, the Prince. I can't tell if the lighting is good. It's just so bright in here that I can't tell. So when I was looking into this greenhouse, it said that it protects your plants from getting sunburn. So we'll see, right? This one I had in the front porch. It's got some stretching, so I brought it here. And then maybe in the future I will behead it and replant it and see what happens. This one I also beheaded just because it was too long for me. I like it nice and short. It just looks so cute like that and compact with all the little cute butterfly plants right there. Look at how cute. Here's some ghost plants. And then here's my ponytail palm. And then I just have like some empty pots in there, some cactus and succulent food, dirt ready to pop. And then when I empty out some of my pots, I just throw it in here. And water, dirt, perlite. Here's some water therapy going on here. These were abandoned, so I'm trying to see if they come back. I have to keep watching my screen because it will get out of focus very easily. Just my stuff here, cutting, clippers, gloves, and shovel. Oh, look at this jade. I don't know if it got too much sun right there. This one's just inside, and I just brought it out yesterday, so I don't know if this morning's sun was too much for it, which I doubt it, but yeah. So it is like 2:50 right now, and the sun is no longer beaming on here. It's just a little bit of sun, very little bit, and there's shade, which I think I might need to move these. I'm not sure because none of this has roots, and I don't know if this is too much sun for them. I have no idea. So yes, I might move that. I'm not sure. These over here, this is rooted. This is the one that I cut, and they're already rooted. It's baby, it's very Newtonberg, Pearl Newtonberg. It's one of my favorites, and so is Debbie. I don't know, a lot of them are my favorites. Here's, so this is the one that I had beheaded, and I let her get some strong sun, and now she doesn't look happy, so I don't know if it's gonna survive, if all those babies are gonna survive, so we'll see if she recuperates. Here's some babies. Oh, here's a plantula one that I cut, and look, it's already growing new plants. That's what I like about it. It's like a whole new plant. I made more plants after I beheaded it. Here's the little Volkswagen that I did. This is a gift I got. Come here, what's your problem? What's wrong? What you whining about? What's wrong? Tell me. What'd you see? Did you see something? Did you see something? You better be nice. Be nice, Maxie. There's a cat that likes to come into my yard, and oh my gosh. Anyways, here's some more babies that are growing. Look at those. And that's it, guys. That is it. Oopsie. So let's do a quick overview. So, I mean, this is good space for me. I mean, there's still so much more that I can fill. When I get, if I add more shelves going up, I can add so much more to all of it. So yeah. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be doing an unboxing really soon for you guys, and I think it's going to be a pretty big one, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. If you have any questions about the greenhouse, go ahead and ask, and I'll try to answer it to the best of my ability. I'm going to link the video to the guy that built his, the one that I was able to follow his instructions and build mine because of him. So I'm going to link that below. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.